You're an asshole right now.
Okay, so this is John building a bird nest on the back of the work truck. Just
No way, man.
fell on his ass. How's that bird nest come along?
Fuck you.
You dropped a piece. Oh, you just lost one of your bird claws. Okay, let's see. He's gonna dive off. Man, watch how he dives off of this. Watch this dive he does. Should be coming right now. Here it is. This is the best stunt. I mean, like the best dive. 1, 2, 3, and see. You guys see that? You guys see the skill in that? Okay, that's a dent-resistant roof. Wham! Did you see that? All right, give it up. Give me a thumbs up, buddy. Give me some thumbs up. Say hello to the camera.
You're a fucking bitch.